Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing, sharing and liking this video. In today's video, we are ready to go to the farm and we are sending another batch of feed to the farm. Stay tuned. And in today's video too, you see us picking up some roofing sheets for the residence building. A lot of people are commenting, encouraging us to go on higher and higher. It's not easy, but gradually we are doing it. Hey guys, say hello. Hey, go back. Please subscribe. So we were loading some feed into the truck to send to the farm, and on the way I bought the roofing shingles for the residence building. So many people come to the farm looking for job to do, and I've been telling them that we are just starting, and as time goes on we will expand, and if we expand we will have more people on board. But I told them that if you have a piece of land, you can grow some maize or beans or cabbage, and I'll purchase them when they are ready. Yes, so at least that's the least I could do to help the people around. Yeah, so we just made payment. I just made payment for the roofing sheets for the residents. Yeah. That's the receipt, and this is it that I got a calendar. Yeah, so gradually we are working. Day by day, we are working. After driving for 2 hours, we got to the farm, and as you can see, we have covered the whole pen, the whole farm building with net to prevent flies like house flies or church of flies from entering. we only have the main gate to cover, and we are still looking for a method that we can attach that net, that type of mosquito net. It's a nylon net to the metal. Yeah, so as you saw, the president building is ready for the roofing, sheets. That is why we brought in the sheet on this day. And you see, these guys are doing very well. They are growing very, very well. They are eating very well. They are drinking very well. And I'm happy. I'm very happy that we have some kind of progress with how the pigs are doing. They are very friendly now as compared to before, when they were a bit shy. When you enter their pen, they'll be running from you. But now when you enter the pen, they want to play with you. They want to be jumping around. They want you to pet them, and I really like that too. I like to pet them a lot because we are bonding. Yeah. So subsequently, we'll be putting more videos here to update you guys on what goes on at the farm. If you have any more questions, if you have any suggestions, you can let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe if you've not done it already, and consider sharing for others to also discover this channel. Like the videos, and then let's all grow together. After offloading the roofing sheets and the feed, we had to clean the pens because it was a bit messy in there. So we had to take care of the pens. Yeah, so many of you guys out there advised that we don't make the floor smooth, so we should just rough it up a bit. So we got some cement, and I contacted the mason who built the pen for me to rough up the floor. So as you can see in the video, the ground is rough a bit. It is not as smooth as it was before, and I think it's one of the best advice I've gotten so far concerning this farming thing that I'm doing. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video to this point. Officially, you're an amazing person. Yeah, and I'll upload more videos here so you can learn more. We learned that the pigs really love water lilies. There is a name that they call boko leaves or water leaves. Yeah, water leaves, either water leaves or water lily. So we got some, and yes, to our surprise, they were hopping and jumping over the leaves. They really loved it, and I was excited. I read about it online to see to know the whatever essentials that they are getting from, and it's good. So please subscribe so we learn more. Take care. Bye bye.